Hello my dear friend. Today we we must find the root of polynomial. Here in this example that we have here, I have the happy news because every day I will post the new video in my YouTube channel about mathematics. The topics it will be include integral, derivative, equations, and many. Please, if you want to watch my new video, please subscribe to my channel and press the notification button. Now first, before I'm trying to solve this, please try this if you can by yourself to find the solution for this equation. Remember, I will tell something that is very important. The highest power, it tells how many roots it have. For example, if we have x in power of 4 plus bx in power of 3, cx in power square plus dx plus e, that is equal to 0. Here it tells that the highest power of this polynomial is 4. It means this polynomial it has 4 root. If, for example, ax square plus bx plus d, that is equal to 0, this the highest power it's 2. It means that it has 2 roots, 2 solutions. Now let's go. Here we must find the root of this polynomial. Now we will have x plus 2, x plus 3, that is equal to minus 1. Now we must change the place. When we have multiplication, we can change the place. Here and this we must make some change the place. X plus 1, x plus 2 plus 2, here plus minus 1, when it will change the place, is plus 1, that is equal to 0. Now we can multiply this. Is x multiplied by x is x square plus x multiplied by 3 is 3x. Now here when we multiply this, x multiplied by x is x square plus x multiplied by 2 is 2x plus 1x plus 2 plus 1, that is equal to 0. Now just a second. Here what we will have, x square 3x x square plus this. Remember, when we have the polynomial, when have the power are the same, we can do the mathematical operations. Here is 1, 2 plus 1 is 3x plus 2 plus 1, that is equal to 0. Now here we must use one trick that is very important. Here x square plus 3x and here x square 3x are the same. We can substitution here with t and here with t, and here is the trick. X square plus 3x, that is equal to t. Now we can substitute here, and what we will have here is t multiply, and here is t plus 2 plus 1, that is equal to 0. Now when we will multiply here, t multiplied by t is t square plus 2t plus 1, that is equal to 0. And now what we will have here, remember here it's according to this formula you can use a square 2ab plus b square, this all is equal to a plus b in square. However, this is the formula. However, you can use this formula. I know that the solution is t plus 1 in power all this in square. This is the solution. However, I will use the formula. Just a second. I will delete this. I know is the root for this equation it's -1, but I like here it's 1. A is 1, B is 2, and C is 1. You know, according to this formula, ax square bx plus c, that is equal to 0. This a is 1, b is 2, c is 1, and here we must use the formula b square for ac. B is 2 square, for a is 1 and c is 1. Here 2 in power of 2 is 4, 4 minus 4 is 0. Now here is formula. We will have the two roots are double the same. B is 2 plus minus 0, 2a is 1. This it means t1 has root -1, and to t2 it has root -1. Now we must substitute these roots to the t is -1. We must substitute here x squared plus 3x. We have x squared 3x, that is equal to t. This is t1, and x squared 3x, t1 is -1, x squared plus 3x -1, when we change the place, is +1, or some teacher are doing in other method. They say this is the second method. Second method. 3x -1. Some teachers say plus all this equation we can add +1. They say 3x plus 1, and here -1 plus 1, this all is 0, and say x squared 3x plus 1, that is equal to 0. However, this is the second method. I prefer more method to say -1 here. When I change the side, it has the sign author. If it is minus, it will change, it will be plus. Now here it's 1, here a is 1, b is 3, and c is 1. Now we have b square 4ac, b is 3 square 4 is 1, 3 square is 9, minus 4 is 5. Now, just to make more space, we have x+1 minus b plus minus d 2a, and here b is 3 plus minus d is 5, 2a is 2. Now we will have x1 root is 3 plus, here plus minus, it means the first it will be positive, the second it will be negative here, and x2 is minus 3 minus 5 plus is 2. Now and second we have here x square 3x t2. We know that t2 is minus 1. We will have x square plus 3x minus 1, and when we will solve is the same procedure. We will have here x3, it has value minus 3 plus root square 2, 4 minus 3 minus 5, 2. And this, can you see? Here it say that in the first of lecture I have say, remember the highest power, it tells how many roots. Here when we multiply this polynomial, we will have the polynomial of power of 4, the highest power, it means it has the 4 root. Can you see? We have root 1, x1, x2, x3 and x4. This are all these roots. If you want to verify that is okay, this is true, you can substitute this root's value to this expression polynomial, and if it is equal to minus 1, it is true. We can verify that this root x1, x2, x3 and x4 are the roots. We can go to Wolfram, and as you can see, these are the roots. Here you can multiply. Here you can say that as they have written here this, but when we make simplifier, the result it will be same. Here as it has, here it's written multiplicity 2, it means that it has 2 roots, and here it's 2 roots. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to watch my new video. Every day I will record new video and I will upload in my YouTube channel. The topic it will be include integral, derivatives, equations and many topics, and I wish to all you all the best of luck.